Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you whether there is a Gmail application for Mac. So basically there is no official Gmail desktop application for Mac. However, you can create, let's say, Gmail's prototype application on your Mac by using Google Chrome's feature to create a shortcut that will open Gmail in a separate window, which mimics an application experience. So this method is absolutely free and it is very easy to use. Additionally, it works on both Windows and Mac. So to do this, you need to firstly open a Gmail website on your desktop and then click three dots in the top right corner, and then you need to go to More Settings and find Create Shortcut. On the Create Shortcut prompt, you need to enter the name of this shortcut. For example, it could be Gmail or something else that you want, and then you need to check that the option Open as Window is enabled, and eventually you need to click Create. And after the creation of this shortcut, the Gmail icon will appear in your Mac's dock for quick access. So that's basically it. That's how you can create a Gmail application for Mac. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.